Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on India Food Network. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for our new videos. We're doing party appetizers and today's recipe is healthy egg salad wraps. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you cook easier at home. So we're going to start by making the egg salad. The reason we call it healthy egg salad is because egg salad usually has a lot of mayonnaise. But today we're going to use yogurt. I recommend using a thick yogurt like Greek or hung curd, which you make at home. Then to spice it up, we're going to add a bit of mustard powder. If you don't have it, you can definitely use regular mustard, Dijon or whole grain. Add some pepper, some salt, and some chili flakes. Just mix it up. And for a pop of color, I'm going to add chopped spring onions. So I'm going to put this on the side, and I'm going to warm my tortilla. Switch on the heat, just a low heat. The reason we do this is that when you warm the tortilla just slightly, it's easier to roll and fold. So another reason why I like to warm the tortilla is after I put in the filling, I don't like to heat it again. Egg salad, the healthy version that I make, has yogurt, so sometimes I'm not too comfortable heating that up again. Okay, so this is warm enough. I'm going to switch the heat off and I'm going to transfer it to my board. So first I'm going to start with spreading lettuce, a whole lettuce. The reason I like doing this is that it makes it easier to roll. And now I'm going to put the egg salad in the center. Now what I'm going to do is fold in one side. Now that they're ready, either you can cut them in half, you can cut them into straight pinwheels, it's up to you. So I'm just going to cut them in half. So there you have the perfect healthy egg salad wrap. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment below here and subscribe to India Food Network. I'll see you soon.